Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta and we're talking about metals right now which have continued to see pressure. Most of the metal prices actually are trading in the negative right now. There are concerns about slower economic growth and that has been weighing on to the prices. The data that has come in last 24 hours hasn't been great as well. The US manufactured goods number fell in the month of March. The consumer confidence numbers for the month of April have come in negative. The China manufacturing activity also has remained weak and that's weighing on to the prices. So even as the individual fundamentals for many of these metals is supportive, it is a macro scenario, the overall sentiment that really seems to be spoiling it for them. I'll start with copper and we are trading at a 5-week lows onto this one. $8,500 a ton has been a very strong support. If copper prices break that, then we are going further down from here. But when you look at the LME inventories for copper, they are the lowest since 2005. So as I said, the individual fundamentals are supportive, but it is a macro situation which seems to be weighing on, and that is the reason you have the copper prices trading in the negative by 5% for the last 1 week now. It's a similar scenario for steel as well, where we have seen consumption decline, production increase in the first quarter of 2023 within China. So you have steel prices trading at a 4-month lows and steel prices have declined by 5.5% in the previous week. Similar is the case for iron ore prices trading at a 3-month lows. Here as well we have seen prices decline by a big margin of 11.5% in last 1 week itself. That's about the ferrous metals. Take a look at zinc now, which is trading at a 2-year lows, mind you, and we have seen prices decline by 5% on a week. In case of zinc as well, the LME inventories are the lowest since 1989. But barring that, because there is no demand and then there are manufacturing concerns and recession concerns going forward, we have seen zinc prices continue to underperform. The other one is nickel. That one is trading at a 2-week lows and we've seen 7% of a decline for this one over the last 1 week. Aluminum is also trading at a 2-week lows, 4.5% of decline for this one as well over the week. Today is going to be an important day because you have the first quarter GDP numbers coming in from US. The jobless data from US also comes in today, and this is going to be a bigger data ahead of the major event, which is the US Fed meeting on 2nd and 3rd of May, where 25 basis point of a rate hike has been factored in. It's going to be about what US Fed really says going forward for the rest of the year. That is where the markets are hinging on to. But then again, it's not just the US Fed meeting. You have Bank of England and European Central Bank monetary policy meeting as well coming in into the next week. So lots of data for the next 6 or 7 trading sessions, and the markets will take reaction from that. But until then, there is some more pressure that we could see in many of these metal prices. So sell on upticks for the next couple of days. It really is a strategy here.